All right, man. I tell you what, man. Guys, we're at this stage where it feels like the more I do, the more I gotta do. So we we actually came here, guys. We gotta make sure that this is not 30 inches. Yeah, this can't be 30 inches here. Because if it's 30 inches, you will have to have a guard rail. So, some before we get started, let me go
So
figure this once again. So yeah, I had to make sure the more we do, the more we gotta do. I did this right here, a little row of natural stone right here to go in front of the house because we need to have a walking surface to go up here and go into the front porch. And guys, you don't want to, I'm trying to make it look as natural as possible. We may put some bushes or something right up here, but guys, the slope is just too much. So we had to go get this right here, just more money. But one thing that I had to make sure is that on the finished grade from here to here, it has to stay less than 30 inches. Okay, because if you get up to 30 inches and you have a walking surface to go around here, then you would have to have guardrails on this thing right here. So I gotta just make sure they stay less than that. So we'll bring some more dirt here. But guys, we also have the sprinkler system is put in. We got it graded. We actually got this thing ready to take for the landscaping so the grass can get in. I'm gonna put a little bit more upgrade. Guys, I just went on ahead and just upgraded everything on this house, man, pretty much. So we had to get in here and do this. So it comes down here, guys. Sprinkler system is in. And, I got we'll go up here in just a second. I'll show you the other stuff. I already got the mailbox in. And guys, like I said, man, like the more I do now, the more I gotta do. And guys, this is Christmas Eve. I'm actually starting to get mail now. Let me see. Yeah, I got mail, guys. Okay. Got mail here. So Spectrum came through. So this is what we look like right here, guys. Man, I have the shutters. I'm actually making the shutters and I'm doing a video on the shutters, guys. But I have the gutters in, have the shutters. I'm making those. I got some hardware that got to come in for the shutters. But this right here thing is going to turn out amazing, man. This is going to be an amazing looking house. One thing, guys, is builders. I can't get this dumpster moved, guys, because the guys mess around and put too much stuff in it. And it's too heavy for them to pull it. So we got to get this fixed. Then that's my meter box. I need to figure out a way. Maybe I can call the company and see if we can raise this meter box up higher. Because this is just not going to go, it's not going to look really good. Because right now, guys, we got to put a backflow preventer right here. And you don't want to cover that guy up either. So, boy, it's always something, man. So we got power to the next houses right here. Guys, I'll be starting that one right there in the next couple of months. And this floor plan is going to be very similar to this guy. They're going to be comparable. This house is called a Leo. And and then the next house, guys, is going to be called the Emily. So this is what guys, if you want to go, and I'm not getting any money from this right here. Fisterio is the guy that does the plans. And man, I tell you, the rock color turned out really nice. I tell you what, man, this is turning out to be a really pretty home, man. I tell you, versus these guys down here that looks like beach homes. But this right here is going to turn out to be a really nice home. We got a lot of upgrades here, guys. Let's just kind of go in this thing, kind of walk through it here a little bit. So making sure these guys get that drainage. So guys, you got to have your gravel, you got to have your drainage. We're actually going to take these gutters. So much water coming off this thing right here. We don't want that water jumping right here. So we're going to bury this drain with the gutters and have the water that's coming off the roof. We're going to have this stuff going into a drainage system and get away from the house. you know, and not affect the landscape. So all this right here, so here's our sprinkler system, and I got to drill a hole so that he can run the line up here. Of course, this is our ground, man. We had to put this here, so brick guy got to come back and do his thing. We'll have landscaping up here in front. I'm gonna put my little, I was gonna put my little trees out back, but I'm gonna put some of my orange trees right out front. This right here, we have the tile for this right here, guys. It actually looks really good. So this is how you come in. Make sure I got this door locked. I knew it. We got to go in through the other way. And I got to look at all these boxes and stuff. So a lot of my subcontractors hooked me up with a little deal here, guys. This right here is probably the most energy efficient. These are probably the most energy efficient. Plus, they kind of match the house, guys. But they're the most energy efficient heat pump units that you're going to use. So I'm looking to save a whole lot of money as far as energy is concerned here, guys. You can no longer paint these boxes here. So they got another code coming out in the NEC, probably the 2026 or 7 or whichever one is coming out. And this municipality pretty much adopts that. Every time they come out with a new one, they adopt it. And it says that you can't paint these right here. I would imagine the reason being is that paint is flammable. If you get fire or get a spark here, man, you know, they're looking at that as being a potential safety risk. So this right here, guys, a dingo, guys. I'm gonna take this right here wall just a little bit longer, about right here. We're trying to get the grading here right. So we've been in here bumping around, getting all this right here right. So we can go, we're gonna put gravel here, guys. We're gonna build it up. We're gonna grade this bad boy back here and run this around here. Run the water around that way. So we got to chip away some of this rock here. And the guys hadn't put my things up here yet. They have not put my post up here yet, man. I mean, I'm waiting on those guys. I finally got that door to work, guys. Figured it out. Only thing I got to do now is get it to lock. I hadn't figured that one out yet, man. I've been fumbling around with it. We were going to put my orchid, what you call it, orchid up here. My trees that my dad gave me, I was gonna put them up here, but I think it's a little bit too much water coming off this hill. It's gonna mess with the root system, so I'm not gonna do that at this point. So we actually, this is just muddy, man. If we can get away from this, if I can go ahead and get this done back here, man, I can really make some things happen, man. It's always something, man. So you gotta. You know, this has been by far a very difficult house to build, man. Just, you know, dealing with some of the little things, but overall, I learned so much on this house, guys. But we also have the power. The power is getting ready to come to the house, so the power company should be connecting the meter. I should have talked about that while I was over there. I'm just gonna talk about the things that I probably hadn't talked about. I don't know if I talked about it yet, man. But we got our water heater here, guys, and this is, I know, guys, this right here is going to be very, you know, these water heaters are very expensive. This is a heat pump. Actually, this is and you know, you can use your phone and all that kind of stuff. Let me get my document. Maybe I can scan this thing and get my documentation. But this thing right here should be extremely energy efficient. We have this right here is a Rockio. This guy right here, man, it controls the sprinkler system, and it deals with everything based on the weather forecast. And so, you know, I don't really have to fool with it too much, man. It don't water the grass when it's gonna rain. So we got that. That works out really good. And I had to bust this in here, guys. It's always good to have, you can kind of see right here where I have my ground coming out the foundation. And on the back side, you guys saw that earlier. So that was my ground. What the heck is this right here? Oh, this right here is a front porch tile. So he'll put that up. Front porch, and everything kind of matches up a little bit, man. I'm starting to see how everything is starting to come together. I think I'm gonna far exceed the way this right here bad boy looks when I get everything done. And guys, look at all of these right here. These things right here. These are like arc faults and GFCI, ground fault, whatever they call it. But guys, this is just, this thing look like a, and I don't know if these things light up. They look like they light. No, I don't think they light up. That one looks messed up. But this is by far, guys, this municipality is one of the most difficult municipalities to get your electrical. It's the most difficult in Alabama. These guys, and I'm not saying that they're just tough to deal with. No, they're just savvy. They understand the guy that's over the inspections department. He understands electrical. And they update the new code every time a new cycle comes out, guys. But they understand the game, so they can hold the subcontractors accountable. Subcontractors just can't come in here and just do what they want to do. So this is how this right here turned out. I think I already showed you guys this right here. Doing something a little bit different. I think I'll put a mirror right there. When I get lights on, it's gonna change everything, guys. And so this is what the tile looks like here. I know, man, it's a little different. It's kind of offset. And guys, there's a reason I did that, because I didn't want everything to be like straight the middle of everything and even, because guys, I've got to work on my OCD. So this is how this right here turned out, guys. So this is, I think we probably gonna have to end up painting this right here, guy, white, like the cabinets. I talked to the decorator. And guys, if you're not working with a decorator, you gotta work with a decorator. You gotta work with a decorator, man. There's no way in the world I could have seen all this stuff right here had I had not been working with a decorator. So we got undercabinet lights and stuff like that. So this is how everything, so once you get your flooring in, we get this landscaping and stuff done. You probably want to get your landscaping in first. And once you get your landscaping in, you get your flooring in. So we come in here. There's my Ecobee. Guys, I've had good success with Ecobee. Thermostats. This right here, guys, way too low, man. So I got the other one ready. This is what this guy looks like. So we got our shower, doors, and mirrors that are on the way. And once we get those bad boys in, we'll be good. I went on here and changed out the hardware for these guys. We had my plumbers to change this out too. They come with the regular chrome. So each bathroom is gonna have, like this bathroom is brushed nickel. I think I use brushed nickel for the most part. And with the exception of one bathroom, we ended up using matte black, like the hinges and the doorknobs. So everything was matte black. It's matte black here. So we kind of switched this out, guys. So things are starting to take shape, man. If I can get about 2 to 3 more weeks, it seems like every week I push it back another week, because you just don't, I didn't know when I was going to get my temp power, man. Guys, when you get close to Christmas, man, they call me the Grinch. They call me the Grinch because I can't get anything done, and it frustrates me. It kind of irritates me a little bit. I'm trying to get things done, and I can't, because it's Christmas, and everybody want to take off. So I got these right here swapped out, and this right here swapped out to match everything else. So everything matches up now. I may even have the I got a little shower holder, little thing right here. I don't know, shower holder. I need one more of those, one more of these things, toilet tissue holder. At least that's it. That's the little ring. I thought I had one here. I try to keep everything kind of in here. I got some shower bars that's gonna go here. How are we gonna get in this thing? Which way we're gonna put the shower? We'll figure this out. We'll figure it out later. Make everything workable, but this is how things look, man. This is how things are painted out. I can't wait to get the finish. That's my ERV right here, man. So this is constantly moving air in and out of this house. I tried to put it here. I could have put one downstairs, guys, kind of in the middle somewhere, but ERV, I could have put that ERV down here somewhere, man, but it was going to, it's going to mess up all this right here. Yeah, I didn't want to mess that up. So I do have, so we got to figure out how furniture is going to go in here, man. It's got panes can go here on each side. However big your TV wannabe can go right there. All this right here is open. All right. Oh, I also have my little stair lights. I got them hidden in the house. So we'll keep it going, man. We'll keep it moving, man. But this right here is turning out to be a really nice home. And, you know, a lot of these decorators, man, they things are going really light. They're not using these beige. And something else I noticed too, guys. I've been looking at a lot of channels on decorating and stuff. Just trying to figure out how this, I'm just trying to figure out how my decorator figured this thing out. So on decoration, you know, they're using the whites now because they say it's timeless. You don't have to go in and change. And also, you don't want to have cabinets with what they call it, the raised panel doors. Everybody's pretty much using the shaker doors. Raised panel just draw too much attention. This is what I'm hearing. It draws too much attention to certain parts of the cabinets, which that's not what you want. You want everything to be as a whole. So I think that's what they're doing. And the lighter colors give you a more cleaner look and a timeless look. That's what I'm hearing. So it is what it is, guys. Once again, guys, like, share, subscribe, and remember, this is the way.